The Shore Club Turks Caicos is a refined and elegant luxury resort, offering a peaceful and upscale Caribbean escape on the quiet and stunning Long Bay Beach. Known for its soft white sand, shallow turquoise water, and relaxed atmosphere, this resort is perfect for travelers seeking privacy, beauty, and a more exclusive experience away from crowded areas. From the moment guests arrive, the atmosphere feels calm, spacious, and sophisticated. The architecture blends classic Caribbean style with modern luxury, featuring open courtyards, lush gardens, and beautifully designed interiors. Soft colors, natural textures, and elegant details create a setting that feels both welcoming and high-end. It is a place designed for relaxation, comfort, and understated luxury. The rooms and suites are spacious, bright, and beautifully furnished. Many include large terraces or balconies with ocean or garden views. Some suites even offer direct beach access or private pools, adding an extra level of exclusivity. Beds are comfortable and inviting. Bathrooms are luxurious and well-designed, and the overall feeling is peaceful and refined. One of the greatest highlights of the Shore Club Turks Caicos is its location on Long Bay Beach. The water here is calm, shallow, and incredibly clear, making it ideal for swimming, paddleboarding, and kiteboarding. The beach feels private and uncrowded, giving guests a sense of serenity that is rare in popular Caribbean destinations. Dining at the resort is stylish and varied, offering fresh seafood, international cuisine, and relaxed beachside meals. The atmosphere is elegant yet comfortable, perfect for both casual lunches and romantic dinners. Service is warm, attentive, and highly personalized. Staff are professional, friendly, and focused on creating a smooth and enjoyable stay. Overall, the Shore Club Turks Caicos is an excellent choice for travelers seeking quiet luxury, beautiful surroundings, and a sophisticated Caribbean experience that feels private, peaceful, and unforgettable.